Hey guys, good afternoon, morning. We are here in Point Lobos Natural Reserve. We're here to do a trail run / day hike. And I just brought this with me because I used to live here before I got into the outdoor lifestyle. And this is something that I'm really excited to come visit. But I'm gonna get through this quickly and see you guys as I go along. I'll stop running to take the video so it's not jumpy. I mean, right? We are going to go this way and come back. Right. So this point here is called Granite Point, right here. I guess up there is Granite Point. Let's get there. So right there in front of you can see the golf course in the distance. That's Pebble Beach. All around there is 17-mile drive, Pebble Beach community. That's Ribera Road. And then we walk around Granite Point. And this is all Point Lobos Natural State Reserve. All this. That's what I'm going to be running around for the next couple hours. Have about 8 miles to do. Wow, right? I mean, this is just magical. And right now I'm listening to Lord of the Rings on audiobook. I mean, can't beat it, right? So I was just on that point right there. That was Granite Point. Now this is Coal Chut Point or something. So there's a little otter. You can see it moving around in the water right there in front of you. Right around here. Little otter right there. You see him? See him there? Boop! Jumping, he just dove in. Now we leave the point, head back to the perimeter trail. Hopefully it doesn't bounce too much. We'll see. I just don't want to stop again.
carrying the scope.
Oh no.
So the scope's on it.
Got a whaler's cabin. Old cannery and whaling company stuff. Alright, now we continue running. Parking lot was full when I came up here. They had this all closed, but I guess it's not now. But so far, you see that little bridge? That's what I was running on when I turned this on when I was running. And then that point right there is where I just was. And then the point right there is where it was originally. And we're just making our way around the state reserve, doing a loop around the perimeter. I think it's 700 feet total elevation on this trail.
Okay.
So we just left the shore and we're gonna cut inland a little bit across to the other side of the island. Man, I've been climbing for a bit and breathing hard, but I think I just got to the top. Bonus area. Boom. Maybe I should have stayed down on that trail, but oh well. So I took the Whalers Knoll Trail up to the top, to the knoll, believe it or not, and I think I would have been better served staying on the North Shore Trail. Let's try to remember that for next time. I was hoping there was going to be a water spout here. Yes, there is. Yes. See? That's what I'm talking about. Does it work? Ooh. Oh wow. Big Sur. Sorry. Just Big Sur. What a magical place. There's a little harbor seal right there. And that's where we're going, and that's our farthest point south. To head back toward the car now. I've gone almost 6 miles now. I have a feeling it's going to be a very long day. Let's see. Well guys, made it back to the car. I didn't really get anything obviously for my run back, but ended up being about 7.67 miles on my Strava app. Not a bad run. What a beautiful day. See ya. I'm gonna be hiking in Big Sur for a day hike tomorrow, so I'll take a video there too.